In today's video, I'll be showing you on how to screen record with OBS. So let's hop straight into the video. First, start by opening your favorite web browser, then type in OBS. Click on the first one. Select which tab would best fit your computer. For me, I'm gonna go with Mac OS. Then select whether you would want Mac Intel or Mac Apple Silicon. You should get a pop-up that says thank you for downloading OBS Studio. Then in the top right hand corner, you should see the download icon. Open the downloaded OBS file, and this is what it should look like. Now I can go into an in-depth video on all of the advanced settings in another video, so if you want that, then comment down below. But if you just need to get your video up and running, then this is how to do it. Go ahead and click source, then tap on display capture and hit OK. Now you are displaying your screen, so if you want, you can go ahead and select what crop you would like. I usually just have none on there. Now to start recording, just hit start recording. And then if you want to go in depth on your settings, click settings. And you can go in there and mess around with your audio to your liking. And that's how to record with OBS. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.